Can I turn $32,293 into over $100,000 to $250,000? That is my goal in this bull cycle. Okay, now this is a brand new channel. I'm going to be documenting my journey over the next just few months of how I can turn this into, I want to cash out in cash over $100,000. Now that's more than likely might mean that I do also need to, hopefully, that is my base case, but my ultimate goal is to get to $250,000. Now in this video, I'm going to break down my exact 11 coins at the moment that I have got, and we're going to run through it, okay? And I'm going to show you which coins I have the most money in. Now, I am all in on meme coins, okay? High risk, high reward. These are going to basically come into play towards the end of the endish of the cycle. Now, I'm hoping to start withdrawing some of this money November, December time, but judging how this crypto bull run has gone so far, it is just so dragged out. It could be later, but I am looking to basically turn it into 100,000. Now let's run through some of the coins. Okay, so my top coin at the moment, as you can see here, is Pengu. I'm gonna come down because you can see anyway what coins I've got here. So my top coin at the moment is Pengu. I've got over $5,000 invested, and that at the moment is in profit. Okay, that is one of my main coins, and I think that Pengu could possibly be the next Doge because of the real world assets that it has in terms of it's a real world physical toy. It's big in Asia, big in America. So this is one of my big bets. I've got over $5,000 in SPX. Have you ever heard of Murad? This community is basically just like a cult in a nutshell. They believe that they are like Bitcoiners, so this could, I do think Pengu can possibly 10x plus, over 10x. I think Pengu, I think SPX can 10x. I've gone with Snack on Cardano because I think Cardano is going to do extremely well in this bull cycle, and Snack is the alpha or ADA on leverage. So I've got $4,000 invested in Snack. Okay, Phoenix is my XRP leverage play. I've got $3,600, and I think once XRP really starts to rip, Phoenix could go. This only has like a $7 to $10 million market cap. This is my wild card of the of all of my coins. It's the lowest one. It's also the one with the most probably potential upside, which is why they do say on the high risk plays don't put as much in, but because it's Phoenix and the name of the channel is Phoenix, and because of what Phoenix represents in the world, I think that this could get traction, could even get listed on some, it's already on MEXC, could get listed on some big exchanges, and this is one of those ones which can truly easily 10x to 25x to 50x to 100x. This is the wild card. I've put quite a bit of money into this because if it does take off, it can truly change your life. It is obviously a gamble. This isn't financial advice. Now, on the subject of this is not financial advice, what I forgot to mention at the start is I am pretty much all in with my life savings on this. I have maxed out my credit cards for this. Obviously, it doesn't take Einstein to figure out that this is not financial advice, but I'm sharing this with you so you know the depth that I am in on this, okay? I'm not playing games with this. My financial future depends on these coins, okay? Next up is Doge. Everybody knows Doge. As you can see, I've not put as much into this coin because I think it can 5x. It can 5 to 10x. But because the market cap is so big, a 5x, I'll be happy with this. Pepe. We all know Pepe. Also, I've not got as much in these coins coming down. But Pepe, just under $1,700. And what I would like to add is, in all of these coins here, I have generally got the same amount in. However, I've bought and sold a few times in the past. So as probably you know, it changes your cost basis, whether there was in profit or not in profit. So the numbers look a bit skewed. It's not a very clear-cut number because I've bought and sold these over the course of the months, the following the months prior. So that all of these have generally got the same amount of money in, but it is not displayed as the same amount of money. Okay. So Pepe, we all know Pepe can 5 to 10x as well. Hopefully more on the 10x side because it's not as big as Doge in market cap. Now we're getting to the lower ones now. We've got Turbo, Brett, Mog, Peanut, Fortcoin. All of these, apart from Fortcoin's just under $1 billion market cap. All of these can easily 5 to 10x or 10x, okay? Relatively lowish market caps, just in the 100 millions. And I am expecting, hopefully, once it is meme coin's turn, all of these charts will basically just go vertical, okay? Now, I'm not going to drag this video on way too much, okay? This is my starting point, okay? I actually initially invested about $37,000, so don't believe this. I am actually down, okay? Because like I said, I've bought and sold. I am actually in a tax loss, okay? Cost base is 32. The cost basis is actually about 37, but because I am in, so we have a look. Because I am in a tax loss, as you can see, nearly 4,000 tax loss. It basically just messes up my cost basis, okay, which I don't like, but it is what it is. Okay, so yeah, if you want to start following my channel, like here's what I go on every day. I go on my trading view. This is what I check all my charts on. I'm going to be breaking down my coins, where we are in the market, profit taking. If you want to follow a real person trying to make real money, none of this, and you can see that I've clearly got skin in the game, okay? This is my new channel, just making a few starting videos, but I think this is going to be my main starting video, okay? So please subscribe, be my first subscriber. Let's see how well we can do with these meme coins in the bull run. Yeah, hopefully Bitcoin is not looking too great at the minute, but yeah, like, subscribe, and I'm going to keep you updated. Let's get this number going up. Let's see when we're going to start withdrawing. Let's get that 200 or 100 to $250,000. Okay, subscribe, comment. What's your target? See you later.